Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
So what does a massive 1080 milliamp hour battery actually mean on a smartphone? With the Honor Power 2 packing that huge battery, this phone positions itself as a lightweight, outdoor flagship built for extreme endurance. Sitting in the 250 to 300 pound price range, it feels like a true all-rounder, delivering long-lasting battery life, reliable signal, solid performance, serious waterproof protection, and a clean, stylish look. But specs are one thing. Real-world testing is what really matters. So let's see how that 880 milliamp hour battery holds up. I know outdoor workers and anyone who constantly worries about their battery are especially curious about this. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. We started playing Honor of Kings at 8 in the morning and kept going for 4 straight hours. By noon, the battery was still sitting comfortably at 84%. After that, we spent another 6 hours casually watching short videos. That's 10 hours of heavy use in a single day, and the phone still had 64% left. That kind of battery life is honestly wild. Even after a full day of gaming and media, there was still plenty of power remaining. Whenever we took short breaks, we plugged it in using the 80-watt SuperVOOC flash charge, and you could literally watch the battery percentage climb. It genuinely feels like battery anxiety just disappears. Heading outdoors suddenly feels stress-free, and that sense of security is amazing. The Honor Power 2 also brings something else to the table, 27-watt reverse fast charging. Forgot to charge your microphone while filming outside? Just connect it to the phone and power it up. Need a fill light for night shoots when time is tight and batteries are low? The phone keeps it running without a problem. When you're out in the field, multiple devices often need power, and the Honor Power 2 can handle all of them. It basically works like a portable power bank for your outdoor adventures. For people who spend a lot of time outside, strong communication is just as important as battery life. Nobody wants their phone turning into a brick when signal matters most, so we put its connectivity to the test. First, we made a call inside an elevator and the call quality stayed perfectly clear. Then we moved to an underground parking garage, downloaded a large document, and opened it right away. Everything ran smoothly with stable network speeds throughout. Finally, we navigated from that same underground garage to an outdoor EV charging station. The route on the screen was crystal clear, and the positioning was spot on, with no issues caused by basement signal loss. That's thanks to the Red Flame 6E antenna combined with a multi-element fusion positioning engine, along with an innovative parallel dual-rail antenna layout. With 25 antennas delivering a full mid-frame antenna ratio, different signal functions don't interfere with each other. On top of that, aerospace-grade dual-beam laser welding supports precise positioning using GPS dual frequency and BeiDou tri-frequency. For anyone who works outdoors regularly, whether you're traveling, delivering packages, or driving for ride-hailing, accurate location tracking isn't just convenient, it's essential. Better navigation means higher efficiency and honestly, a much better mood throughout the day. Now let's talk about the chipset, because this is where Honor really shows its sincerity. This phone is the first to come equipped with the Dimensity 8500 Elite, and that's a big deal. Most phones in this price range are running Dimensity 7300 or 7400 chips, which simply can't match this level of battery efficiency, connectivity, or overall performance. The gap is noticeable. We also put it through its paces in gaming. Playing Honor of Kings with high definition visuals and a 120 Hz refresh rate, everything felt buttery smooth, even during intense team fights. Touch response was quick, there were no stutters, and no frame drops. After half an hour of gameplay with the Ice Cool Night cooling system active, the temperature stayed nicely under control and never became uncomfortable. For this price bracket, the performance really stands out. Next, we opened 20 apps at the same time and jumped between them non-stop. There was zero lag and the whole system felt fast and responsive. It handled multitasking like a champ. Since this phone is designed for outdoor use, durability matters. The mid-frame uses a 4-corner shock-absorbing structure that helps spread impact if the phone falls. We tested 2 everyday drop situations. First, we simulated pulling it out of a pocket and dropping it unevenly onto the ground. The screen and back stayed intact, and the camera lens was perfectly fine. Then we accidentally knocked it off a table. Still no damage. Its drop resistance is genuinely impressive. Water protection is just as serious. It supports IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K, which is currently the highest water resistance standard in the industry. Honestly, the build quality of the Honor Power 2 deserves praise. Let's move on to the design. The look of this phone is excellent, especially the orange version I'm holding right now. It's absolutely eye-catching. It weighs about 216 grams, measures just 7.98 millimeters thick, and comes in beautiful colors with a clean, modern design. Even though the battery capacity has increased, the thickness hasn't, and it feels great in the hand. Based on looks alone, it's already easy to recommend. You also get Honor's Oasis eye protection technology, featuring a 1.5K Oasis display with 3840Hz PWM zero risk dimming. I can enable AI desktop display, AI defocus eye relief, and even motion sickness relief mode, and they actually make a difference in daily use. The new Magic OS 10 system adds an AI outdoor mode, which includes outdoor brightness optimization, network color scene tuning, app acceleration, dedicated app survival, smart call volume boosting, and return to home marking. On top of that, you get cross-brand seamless connectivity, AI anti-fraud protection, all-scenario AFC, and infrared remote control, all genuinely practical features for everyday life. I even tested the speaker volume, and wow, it's loud. Thanks to symmetrical superlinear speakers combined with Honor's self-developed OnaSound algorithm, you're not going to miss calls anymore. The ringtone cuts through noise easily, fully living up to its lightweight outdoor flagship positioning. There's also a solid set of practical hardware, including a 50 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, making it easy to capture landscapes and everyday moments when you're out and about. If your budget is around £300, the Honor Power 2 is absolutely worth a look. And if you're someone who works outdoors or loves outdoor activities and needs accurate positioning, massive battery life, and strong resistance to drops and fading, this phone feels like a perfect match. It's also ideal for anyone who struggles with battery anxiety, giving you enough power to comfortably last all day. Highly recommended, and I'll see you in the next video. If you'd like, I can also help turn this into a YouTube description, title, or hashtags next.